Hello everyone. The question we are solving for today is if the inside square bisects the sides of the outside square, then find the ratio of areas of outside square to the area of inside square. So we have to find area of outside square to the area of inside square. For that, let's consider the area of outside square as A1 and area of inside square as A2. Now we have to find the ratio of A1 divided by A2. The only information we have is the inside square bisect all the sides of the outside square. Let's think side of outside square is equals to 2x and length of inside square is y. So now area of A1 over area of A2 is equals to, we know the area of square formula is side square. So S1 square divided by S2 square. As we assume length of outside square is 2x, so area of A1 over area of A2 is 2x whole square over y square. We can write it as 4 times of x square over y square. So area of A1 over A2 is 4 times of x square to y square. Now we have to find some relationship between x and y, so we can represent the formula in a numerical form. As we assume length of the outside square is 2x and length of the inside square is y. From the question we know every corner of the inside square bisects the outside square. So the length will become x and x, right? As each corner is bisecting, it is dividing the length of the side into two equal portions. That's why I write it as x and x. Now this one is also x, right? And we also know at every corner of the square the angle is 90 degrees. As one angle is 90 degrees, we can treat it as right angle triangle, right? So both the side lengths are x and the value of hypotenuse is y. From the same right angle triangle, we know sum of squares of the sides is equals to square of hypotenuse, right? If anyone is interested to know how Pythagoras theorem is derived, we already made a dedicated video for the Pythagoras theorem in this channel. I am leaving that video link in the iCard. Please visit if anyone is interested. Now coming back to the question, as we can write x square plus x square as 2x square, which is equals to y square. Now apply square root on both sides. Square root of 2x square is equal to square root of y square. So x root 2 is equals to y, right? So the relationship between x and y is x root 2 is equals to y. Can we substitute this relation in the a1 over a2 ratio? Yes, x root 2 is equals to y. If we are substituting in a1 over a2, 4 times x square divided by x root 2 whole square. So we can write it as 4 times of x square divided by 2x square. As x square is common on both numerator and denominator, I am cancelling x square. So the value is 4 over 2, which we can write it as 2 over 1. So the ratio of area of outside square to that of the area of inside square is equals to 2 over 1. It means area of outside square is 2 times the area of inside square. If you like these videos and explanation, please subscribe.